When creating an offer, you want to make an offer so good that the people that come across your offer will feel weird saying, no, I don't want it, or maybe I'll pass and maybe call another location and get a quote from them. You want to close them on the very first glance. Now, what I mean by that is as soon as they visit your website, and you guys can see my website right here. For example, I have a voicemail audio guest book going for $188. All right, that's a very, very good price, right? Given the fact that I'm aware of my competitors within a 15 to 20 mile radius, okay? So if the person scrolls down and they're interested in a photo booth, for example, they'll get to see that for a limited offer right now, limited time, we have an extra bonus when you book a digital photo booth with us, or if you book a 360 booth with us. Now, it doesn't matter whether you're gonna book for 2 or 3 or 4 hours. Fact is, it's value perception. So when an individual comes onto my website and sees that not only am I getting a booth, reputable business, and all these bullet points right here of things that are included in the service description, I'm also going to be getting an audio guest book along with that service. This is fantastic. This is going to be great for my upcoming birthday, great for my wedding, anniversary, whatever event they're going to be having, guys. So always focus on offering more value. Don't focus on being the cheapest and dropping your prices, because at the end of the day, you're only playing yourself. Don't play with yourself. That was funny. And so this is what I wanted to show you guys. Okay, now on top of that, we just talked about value. Right now, if you're still watching the video, you're lucky, because right now, if you visit my store and you come over to the shop right here, okay, you guys are gonna see that there is a bundle here. It's called the Perfect Photo Booth Business. Now, what is this? This comes with a very nice video that I put together. And in addition to that, it comes with photos. And as you guys can see, it says what's included, right? And here's the video too. Here's a video right here, right? 60 frames per second, 1080p. Right now, if you guys visit my online store and use the code FAT8, that's funny, F-A-T, and then the number 8, FAT8, you guys are only gonna pay $8 for all of my social media content that's on my website right now, guys. Only $8 by using the code FAT, that's FAT8. And only 25 people will be able to redeem this coupon. So visit the store right now, guys. Grab your content. And this is what I call marketing. Peace.